the structure of a polypeptide, one alpha helix contains 32 intra-chain hydrogen bonds. What will be the number of turns in the helix? So imagine this to be the polypeptide chain in the question. Now we will look into the hydrogen bonds on this polypeptide chain. The rule of hydrogen bonds in a 3.6 helix is between the I and the I plus 4th residue, which means that let's consider the hydrogen bond between the first that will pair up with the 5th residue to form a H bond. So if we look into this figure right now, the first hydrogen bond is between the 1st and the 5th residue. Similarly, the second hydrogen bond is between the 2nd and the 6th residue. Now, if we want to look into this in terms of the total number of residues and the hydrogen bond relationship, we can see that if there is one hydrogen bonds, we can calculate the total number of residues as 1 plus 4, which is 5. Similarly, if there are two hydrogen bonds, the total number of residues become 2 residues plus 4 residues, which is 6 residues. So from there we get that to calculate the number of residues, we need to look into the number of hydrogen bonds, that is n hydrogen bonds plus 4. Now in this question here, we are told that there are 32 intra-chain hydrogen bonds. So the total number of residues in this polypeptide chain is 32, which is the number of hydrogen bonds, plus 4, which is 36. Now the question is about the number of turns in the helix. Now in a 3.6 helix, one turn has 3.6 residues. Since we have the total number of residues as 36, we can use the information to calculate the total number of turns in the given manner. That is by dividing the number of residues per turn. Like we can do it by total number of residues divided by number of residues per turn, which is 36 divided by 3.6, which is equal to 10. Therefore, the answer to this question is 10. To refer to more about biochemistry and polypeptide structure, you can refer to this course offered by NPTEL.